Around the classroom, you're going to find circles, squares, rectangles, but I am also adding triangles. This one reminds me of one day I was kayaking and I needed to reach shore by a certain time. So I thought, oh, this is perfect for our older students in math, but even littles might understand, and maybe not, but that's okay. The shortest distance from here to here when I was kayaking is not to go to shore and up, but is to go at a slant. And so the other day as I was kayaking, it was Sunday, I was about right here when there was a boat coming behind me. And they went around me and I just kept going this way. But they called over and waved and I did too. But I was also relieved that I wasn't in their path as I was heading back to shore to check in. Here I'm measuring a triangle. You can see that this one is almost the same length. They call it an equilateral triangle, of which you don't need to do that. You can count the sides, 1, 2, 3. You can also count the corners, 1, 2, 3. You can look for crackers that are triangles and eat them. This one is called a right triangle because there is an angle that is a 90-degree angle. And you go, what is that? That will be something that you can talk about more with your mom and dad, but it basically means this is Lizzie Lizard. You have a line going down and you have a line going straight out, and then you have this slanted line in between. And here we have another triangle. If we count the sticks on this side, we have 1, 2, 3. If we count the sticks on this side, 1, 2, 3. It's a little shorter. So the sides are not equal. And then we have 1, 2, 3 with a little overlap. And if you count the corners, everyone count. Yeah, take some cereal or some other objects at home and build your own triangle. It might be harder if you have younger brothers or sisters. So find an area that works for you, maybe your bedroom or the kitchen table, or an area that grandma or mom or dad can designate just for you. Over here we have a rectangle. What could you put in that rectangle? Can you find rectangles in the classroom and put them there? What can you find? I have an animal walk. But there's also other creatures in there. I wonder, which day did God make the dinosaurs and the giraffes and the elephants? Day 6, the animals that walk. What day did God make the whale and the fish and the bats and the birds? Yeah, anything that flies or swims, God made on day 5. And when God made his creation, it was all good. So here's my animal walk. Do you see how they're changing directions? That might be something fun to do, is to practice, or to, when mom says, time for lunch, walk in a zigzag pattern to get to the kitchen table, or walk the long way around to get to the kitchen table, as long as you're not going to be too late for her. Moms work very hard to make sure that your food is ready and nice and warm, or just the right temperature. Enjoy your day. Look forward to seeing you on Thursday.